Thane, Maharashtra. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Thane, Maharashtra-based Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau cum wedding planners in Thane, Maharashtra. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. Passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Thane, Maharashtra. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Thane is a northern district of Konkan, Maharashtra known as Kakade de Thane. Its original name is Sri Sat Naka, named after Development Corporation, have developed eight industrial estates, the international market and friendly ports like Mumbai. The convenience of communication and the facilities provided by the government have made the industry prosperous in the district. Especially in the southern and western parts of the district, there is a centralization of industries. Thane has a number of large industrial complexes of chemicals, engineering products and textiles. There are several historical buildings including a fort and several churches. Nearest airport is at Mumbai and the international airport 35 km from the main downtown Mumbai. Thane has a railway station and many trains pass connecting it with the major cities of Maharashtra. It is well connected by road as well. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Thane, Maharashtra, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Thane, Maharashtra. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Thane, Maharashtra has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Thane, Maharashtra. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Thane, Maharashtra, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Thane, Maharashtra for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Thane, Maharashtra, but the marriage bureau in Thane, Maharashtra who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Thane, Maharashtra. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Thane, Maharashtra. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Thane, Maharashtra. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We've never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Thane, Maharashtra to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Thane, Maharashtra. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Thane, Maharashtra. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Thane, Maharashtra. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Marathi database of profiles in Thane, Maharashtra, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Thane, Maharashtra. Number 3, our Marathi personalized matchmaking service in Thane, Maharashtra fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Thane, Maharashtra. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Thane, Maharashtra. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste.